Hello, so welcome to the part 2 section of the previous video. Yeah, so in this video no I display how our packaging bags and for the kids shoes. Yes, so they have this big warehouse yes and see about that section so how how bagging our bags and then shoes no. Yeah, they have a lot of shoes in the factory as well, same as bags. Yeah, so let's move on to the video and see how it's done. Yeah. Of them.
这是什么？
Yeah.
花年，我来看一下。
And they're very quality, very heavy as well. It's also quality music. The weird book and cassa.
这边是这边，是这边。运动科。
You know, so more bed sheets or more curtains.
这两个吧。花年。
Yeah. This one I used once, yeah, and so you'll be into that. So you have your products over here. You can come here and place an order.
Pillowcase.
Yes,
Pillowcase.
and more force pillowcases also I see, and then towels as well. Oh, yeah.
How about the lady bag and the school bag?
Yes, let's go there. So they have lady bags and
This is
school bags.
Summer clothes. All of them the summer clothes. And we have another winter clothes.
Okay. So I see her saying now summer clothes, and then this side is also your winter clothes, and our side winter clothes, and so they have a side that also deals with ladies' bags, and that's where we are going. Yes. All right. Factory kit 12, a very huge one. And these are some of the bags. It's not my bag. Oh, okay. All sort of different types of bags, and as you can see. So you're also into bags. You also have yours here, whether being ladies' bags or school bags. You also have your type here. About she should. Alright.
Lady bag.
Yeah.
Lady bag.
Okay, so those of us are much more into this products, and so more there was, yeah, so that's a very quality leather.
Oh.
So you can feel the leather, very quality one. Yes, and so yeah, to you be up huge it once, yeah, on like I say, but side bags say but do phone and with few things you be show me, yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
The bag is okay?
Yeah. Very big warehouse. And this is not the only warehouse. They have another one outside. That's where the shoes are being made. The shoes are being worked on. Wow. We saw the bags so have been sorted and packaged.
This is big reed.
B3.
Yeah.
What's that? What
Because
does it
we
mean?
have synthetic, the lady bag is high quality here.
Okay.
And then we will sorting the big reed.
Okay. So say on the cancel at high quality now we just B3 and I just say third grade and I'm visa. Yes. The range that I know that quality.
A little dirty and
Yes. Until say when you think a cry and I feel so aesthetic a cry. And see. Based on the type of your you get. But me person better name my at the tia than Akoton.
more popular.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
More popular.
So this one's normally the boy for their but
Could be
they are not as quality as the no so yeah, so start you know I say keep sorting them out.
We have a new clothes of the HN.
HNN.
Yeah. We cut the label.
All right, so from what she's saying, I think that she's talking about branded goods and they've cut the labels, so yes.
HN 的在哪里啊？
这边在这里，你找这个是不是？
这个
南方那块，
这个是男的，
对的对的。
女价这个。
So can this branded a proper brand products which is H&N and these are some of the products or more for that, you know. Yes. And see, as you can see, the branded products which is H&N so Benyan Oase as well. Yeah.
This brand, but we need to cut the label.
Oh, okay.
This is the new clothes.
Okay. So I see they are new clothes. So it could be say be a good watch and they've never bought them. And then they are just
lady summer.
working on them.
And
Yes. Okay.
not much.
因为这个蛮，这名蛮难去看。有到分，OK。
This is we collected from the solar battery. Solar
Okay.
our store.
Yeah, so like I said, never know go proper brand, you know, for church, you know. They just go there and then connect them. So I can see they are just repacking. This one have been just taken out of boxes. Then it's products of mash crap. They're just brand new, but just a goof up to watch it. And then they are just work on them again.
Just
Yeah.
do.
So
That's
we
solar
can.
too.
Okay. So when you used ones, they are just goods I go factory watch it, and then they just went for them. So at this cost, at this stage, you know, say we have 50 cities, it will tend to be at 20 cities because of good watch. So they work on, yeah. Okay.
Now you never learn me from.
啊，什么的？
So you have H&M products. I think they are quality, they're popular brand, and they're just working on them. And then you know, you go factory watch and more somewhere. They are just working on them to also sell to other people. So in case you are interested, so they have H&M brand.
You never learn me from.
啊，什么？
Other types which are here. Yeah. And then they have their shoes and bags too over here. Yeah. Okay, so we are next to the shoe warehouse. So this one too is a very big warehouse. A very huge one over here. Yeah, so different types of shoes.
You
Secondhand?
buy the shoes before?
No.
No. I think the children's shoes
It's
they
a
sell
very-
in Ghana. Children's shoes, 我看一下。25 kilograms,
Pieces.
one package here.
How many pairs inside?
Pieces about 86.
86.
Yeah. We will make it more than 80 pieces. 80 to 86. Usually 86, 85, 87,
Uh,
88. One package is 25 kilograms.
okay.
The size is the children's shoes. The size is under the size 36. 36, and this is children's size.
No.
You can choose this is the making the package. Mixed shoes, mixed size.
Right, so I think so they have mixed shoes and mixed sizes as well. So in normal packaging.
According to the size, this is the smaller.
Yeah, so we force video to this one
My
because
package, we will
it's not now
balance the
China
size.
and it's but as you can see they are all quality, very good products. You can see some popular goods and brands over here. Okay.
Children's shoes, and we also have the ladies' shoes and the men's shoes.
Alright, also more ladies shoes and men's shoes as well.
Lady shoes, lady bro.
Alrighty.
Shoes, and lady brother. Sandal, and the black, and the high heel shoes.
High heel.
高跟鞋呢？高跟鞋。High heel, I think.
No, okay. Yeah, the money for
Yeah.
Tita is be up,
We also,
you can just
we
let us
also-
know
we
then.
also do the mix. Not
Okay.
all the high heel shoe mix together, or we have the lady mix shoe or the children mix shoe, and the all mix shoes. Like the one package 25, we make it 25, and the man and the lady and the children together.
Okay.
And we also can make the lady sandal one package or the children one package, and the lady sports shoes one package. But we didn't make the men shoes, sports shoes one package because in the men's shoes is a few of men's shoes. Difficult to connecting the men's shoes alone, so we make it together.
Alright.
We make the mixed shoes. We have the structure. I think I can send you the structure of the mixed shoes.
Okay.
Look at this. Here is the shoes checking the sorting line. The people is checking the shoes here, and when they finish it, we will put here and then make package, balance the size and balance the quality and balance the material. Here is checking the quality.
Okay. So there's so much check products and quality.
This
No?
is the rubbish.
Yeah. Today I see beyond the 12. But then inside there, then they will also use it. They will just pack them. All right. This rock can remove your rubbish access. So we're between you. So after that, they are just checking quality. This is not a very small warehouse. So if you are interested in any product, you can just reach out to them. Whether being the interest, no, you will just proceed them. We order for you. Yes. Okay, guys. So you're basically saying, in the next video, so we will also be going to a factory.
对啦，这个是 B，
这是 B 鞋吗？B 鞋
B grade children
Okay, the B grade. Essentially, your quality, sir. Yeah. You know, we now also on a pro. Okay.